From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. We are under a News 19 weather impact alert day today through early parts of Thursday. For today, we're expecting a cold rain, some freezing rain, sleet and snow. All will be possible. Likely some slick spots on those area roadways, especially in the eastern half of the Midlands where winter weather advisory is in effect, and in the northern half of the Midlands where we do expect at least a possibility for a wintry mix as well. In the winter weather advisory area, you can notice it here from Kershaw County, Lee County, Sumter, Clarendon, and eastward towards the PD and the Grand Strand. There will be the potential for some freezing rain. That will continue until 5 o'clock Thursday morning. So Clarendon, Kershaw, Lee, Sumter counties, freezing rain expected. A little bit of a glaze out there could cause some slippery sidewalks, roads, and bridges. If you are going to be traveling later this evening and tonight, keep that in mind. You may want to just slow down, give yourself a little extra time and space on those roadways. We're talking about limited potential for delays, though, at this point. The farther you go towards the north, in parts of North Carolina and Tennessee, expecting some bigger delays because that's where more wintry precipitation is forecasted. As we do go through the rest of your day, though, along and north of I-20, that wintry mix certainly will be possible. South of I-20, you're talking about mainly rain. That will continue through the early afternoon hours. By the time we get to the late afternoon and early evening hours, a little bit of a break in the activity for most of the Midlands. Still do have a wintry mix over towards the PD and the Grand Strand. A little bit of a wintry mix in the eastern parts of the Midlands around midnight. And then as we look ahead towards Thursday morning, another system is going to kind of swing through the area. We'll have some cold air in place. Could squeeze out a little bit of light snowfall for parts of the area. You're talking northern parts of the Midlands to the central Midlands. By the time we get to the early afternoon hours, the moisture will be out of here. We'll have some sunshine before the day is done on Thursday, although it will be pretty breezy on Thursday as well. So it's going to be kind of a breezy day. A little bit of a wider look shows more snowfall and more of a wintry mess up towards eastern parts of North Carolina. And then that little disturbance does swing down tomorrow morning, bringing that potential for a little bit more snow up towards Charlotte, even up towards maybe just south of Raleigh, and then into the central parts of the Midlands. So the snow forecast, very light, I think would be the right word. You're talking about mainly trace amounts, if any. Notice our forecast model showing that very light amounts tomorrow. As we get past tomorrow, pretty dry weather it looks like for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That according to the European forecast model, the American model showing basically the same thing. And yesterday, it was a little bit cool. Temperatures only hit 57 degrees. We'll be a little cooler than that today and tomorrow, but gradually our temperatures will start to respond. We haven't had any measurable rainfall since Sunday. That will change today as the system kind of brings us that chance for some rain and a wintry mix. 80 degrees is the record high. That's going to be safe. The record low is 15. Obviously, that'll be safe. Record rainfall, almost 2 inches set in 1949. I believe that'll be safe. And record snowfall was set in 1895. Our afternoon temperatures in the low to mid 40s. We may have already hit our official high temperatures, but during the afternoon, low to mid 40s. So it is going to be a chilly day across the area. Low temperatures tonight, upper 20s and low 30s. It will be even colder for Friday morning with temperatures in the upper teens and low 20s. But for today, we do expect the rain to develop. Possibility for that wintry mix. That's why we're under the News 19 weather impact alert day for today and early parts of Thursday. Early parts of Thursday because that small potential for a little bit of light snowfall. Our weather does improve though, especially next week. 70 degrees is what we're looking for on Tuesday. Will probably be a touch warmer next Wednesday and Thursday. Then things will start to cool back off Friday and then for Saturday, which would be March 1st. Forecast for Myrtle Beach, we're expecting cloudy conditions, some rain. Also do have that winter weather advisory in effect for Horry County and parts of Georgetown. Charleston, forecast looking good over the weekend as temperatures will be warming up, expecting rain down in the low country and rain and a little bit of snow in Greenville for today. Possibility for some light snow tomorrow. And then over the weekend, highs in the low to upper 50s by Sunday. Near normal temperatures 8 to 14 days out. This would be the 26th through March 4th with near normal rainfall amounts as well. You can follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great Wednesday.